in our living room, we've got one of those. I don't know, it's like a vaulted ceiling, right? It's one where you have like a living room, and then above it you have like the second floor stairs. It's a loft. You kind of like see down the living room and stuff like that. So the living room ceiling is, I don't know, 25 feet, 25 feet. That sound about right for two
Quite
stories?
vaulted. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be about right. Yeah.
So almost at the top, not quite at the top. It's about at the 18-foot mark. There's a ceiling fan. All right. So it's the builder ceiling fan. You know, it's the one that was, put in when the house was installed, right?
Yeah. They didn't put any extensions on or anything? They just left it all the way up there?
Well, no, it's on like a what do you call that? Like the extension pole. Drop down down rod is the
down
terminology.
Rod, that's it, yeah.
The down rod. So it's on like a 36-inch down rod, right? So it's about 10 feet in the air. No problem. Well, my wife goes, I'd really like to swap out that fan. I was like, yeah, sure, no problem. Maybe swapping out a fan's not hard. Basic electrical, right?
Yeah.
So first thing is like, I go up there. I have my ladder. It's one of those just A-frame ladders. It's about 6-8 feet tall. So I go up there, I'm able to get to the fan, no problem. And then I realize she doesn't want a chrome down rod. She wants a black down rod.
Yeah.
So I'm like, how the hell am I going to get 18 feet up? Right?
Yeah.
Because with an A-frame ladder, you can fully extend it. So I believe they call that lean-to mode.
Yeah. But just like hovering.
Yeah, you can fully extend it. But with the ceiling being vaulted, I really have nowhere to lean this ladder against.
Right. That's why you just have your wife down there holding it. My life is in your hands, honey.
And so I'm like, I don't want, like, what am I going to do, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to go out and purchase a 24-foot, or I guess the biggest they probably have is like a 16 or 18-foot, like A-frame ladder.
I think you can go 24, but you probably rent one too.
Yeah, well, I was going to rent one. It's like $90 to rent it for like 4 hours. Man. And when you think it's going to be a quick project, it's not going to be a quick project. So ended up finding one of these little giant ladders that is one of those like telescopic ones. So it opens up as an A-frame ladder, but then the legs telescope out of it.
Yeah.
So in in A-frame mode, I can reach like 18 feet.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. So I finally get this. I had to go pick one up. And of course, they won't ship it to you, right?
Oh, yeah.
And the closest place in town that had one in stock was 50 minutes away.
Oh, man.
Yeah. So I had to drive all the way there, pick it up, get home and stuff like that. So then I get up there, it's no problem. I get the fan down. And the way they installed this fan, like, the junction box in the wall, the little recessed area where the wires and stuff are, and it has like the mounting points and whatnot.
Yeah.
The mounting points are effectively almost in parallel with the vault of the ceiling. And the way that ceiling fans mount is it's like a C-shaped bracket that the ceiling fan kind of like it goes in and then like drops down.
It's like a ball joint almost.
Exactly, like a ball joint. Well, the open part of the ball joint is almost facing downward, meaning that I have no idea how this ceiling fan never fell off the ceiling.
Oh, right. Sometimes they got a little key on them and it'll hold them in place a little bit, but yeah, barely, I'm sure.
Yeah. So it was sketchy as hell.